Hey, foodies! Welcome back to FitLife Explorers, where we turn ordinary cooking into extraordinary culinary adventures. Today, we've got something special for you, a guide on how to store ginger to keep it fresh, flavorful, and ready to elevate your dishes. I'm your host, and let's dive into the ginger magic. Importance of proper storage. Ginger is a powerhouse ingredient, adding zing to your stir-fries, curries, and teas. But how you store it can make all the difference in preserving its taste and nutritional value. So, let's start with why it's crucial to store ginger properly. Point 1. Freshness matters. Fresh ginger means intense flavor. Storing it right maintains that robust taste, making your recipes pop with that distinct ginger kick. Point 2. Nutritional goodness. Did you know ginger is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties? Storing it correctly ensures you get the maximum health benefits in every bite. Selecting the perfect ginger. Before we dive into storage, let's talk about picking the perfect ginger. Look for smooth skin, firm texture, and a spicy aroma. A little wrinkle is okay, it means it's mature and flavorful. The best storage techniques. Now, let's get to the heart of it, how to store ginger like a pro. I've got 3 fantastic techniques that will keep your ginger fresh for weeks. Technique 1. Refrigeration. Pop your ginger in a resealable bag, squeeze out the air, and into the vegetable crisper it goes. This method keeps it firm and ready to use whenever inspiration strikes. Technique 2. Freezing for longevity. For long-term storage, consider freezing. Peel and slice your ginger, store it in airtight containers or freezer bags, and voila! Grate it straight from the freezer into your recipes for an instant burst of flavor. Technique 3. Preserving in vinegar. Preserving ginger in vinegar not only keeps it fresh but also infuses a hint of tanginess. Slice your ginger, cover it with vinegar, and store it in the fridge. Perfect for pickling and marinades. Tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to ginger perfection. Keep it away from moisture, avoid direct sunlight, and always use a clean, dry utensil when handling. Your ginger will thank you. Tip 1. Moisture matters. Ginger hates moisture. Store it in a dry environment to prevent mold and maintain that delightful crunch. Tip 2. No sunbathing for ginger. Keep your ginger away from direct sunlight. Dark and cool places are its best friends for a longer shelf life. Tip 3. Use dry utensils. When you're ready to cook, use a clean, dry utensil. It prevents introducing unwanted moisture, ensuring your ginger stays pristine. Conclusion. And there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to store ginger, a culinary necessity. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just love a good ginger tea, these techniques will keep your ginger game strong. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fantastic culinary tips, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Stay spicy.